The radio hums a low steady light, while the silver birds carve a scar in the sky. I'm mixing my paints with the dust on the floor, watching the shadow creep under the door. Is it the wind or the warning bell? Heaven is crowded, we're building a hell. And oh, it's a beautiful day for the end, to break every bone that we refuse to bend. Give me 4 minutes of blinding white before we dissolve in the belly of night. Just one more canvas, just one more line before the clock stops stealing my time. Children are hiding under their wood, learning to die as if they should. I've painted the sun in a shade of lead that would fill definition for dead. The balance of power is a wire so thin, waiting for someone to let the light in. Don't look at the flash, don't breathe in the rain. The fallout is washing away all the stain of the borders we drew and the flags that we flew. In the end, the horizon is coming for you.